If by 2070 society wants to get to a net zero ambition world, then what will it actually take to climb down that curve? And we are kind of looking in a scenario under sky in which we are going from a world in which, as I mentioned, a very small percentage of the energy mix comes from renewable energy sources to a world in which 40 to 60% of the future energy mix comes in from renewable energy.
There's a definitive need for liquid fuels into the future. There's also a definitive need for replacing other fossil materials with more sustainable materials.
Berkeley enjoys an international reputation, some of the brightest minds in research. Yeah, coupled with a free-spirited mindset that I think lends itself to a natural collaboration. And the Energy and Biosciences Institute is a perfect example of that collaborative nature.
I think EBI helps to merge different disciplines together.
Dealing with academia and also industry, they know what is really needed in the society.
EBI is like an interdisciplinary research center where it is funding several different energy storage projects. Interdisciplinary work where we all are focusing to solve the same problem from a different perspective, which is usually not found elsewhere in universities.
Yeah, it's actually very amazing, like how easy it is to talk with other scientists, collaborate with other scientists. That is kind of a huge advantage which I see here.
I kind of see like the vision of EBI as a good close connection between like university research and industry research, and how can we harvest resources from both to really help push forward sustainable practices and kind of help like understand and fight some of the hard problems in energy that we need to fight nowadays.
Right now we are in a global economic system in which energy production is slowly shifting from petroleum-based fuels to non-petroleum-based fuels. However, making that transition is often constrained by the fact that we still need economic growth. A lot of the impacts of our current energy usage and resource consumption are sacrificing these basic features of a healthy way of life now for future generations, and so in my mind that's not sustainable. However, I do believe that there are ways to actually approach maintaining a current way of life without making that sacrifice.
In this case, we know that in some years we won't have more fossil fuel energy. So we need to find solutions now. We need to find a solution for public transportation. We need to find a solution for like wind or solar energy. We need to find new technologies, and so that's why I think my work and the work of the other scientists is very important.
There's a lot of environmental issues that has not been solved. I mean, everyone is aware of it, but I feel like that alone in itself, unfortunately, it's not enough to push the movement forward. So I think that has to be complemented with a sound business strategy on how this is going to work, as well as sound technology to support it. So I feel like, especially in the technology side, EBI has done a tremendous job.
And that's really what we've been thinking about as we